Have you ever come across the nasolabial fold? If not, I am here to inform you about the two most beneficial areas and the top-rated Korean massage that effectively targets the nasolabial fold. Welcome to Fisiolution. I'm Ruben Santo, a trusted acupuncturist, and today I'll show you two great points for the nasolabial fold. Two great points for this part that appears when you smile, notice. That appears here, and the best Korean massage in 7 parts. Let's go with our first point, but first, and very important, if you are going to start doing the exercises, it is important that you take a picture of yourself before the exercise, and when you finish doing the exercises, you are going to do them for 3 weeks. Take another picture, and you will see the change before and after. So, it is important to take a photo the first week, last picture the 3rd week. And let's go to the first point, 20 of Haige, Xingxiang, okay? Or let's say it has to do with odors, right? Which way is it? It's actually near the nose, and it's going to be right in the nasolabial fold. Notice that it is here. You can see quite a bit of mine. That is why I have to work it a lot more sometimes on one side than the other side. On this side, it is more noticeable. So, what are we going to do? Let's put it here. The nose flaps, without covering the nose. It's just a little finger and out, okay? 0 with 5 chun it would be, and it's the one right in the groove. It's here. Where if you smile, okay? What are we gonna do here? Our plan is to repetitively tackle it 60 times and lead the way forward, okay? So we're going to do it like this. I'm going to repeat it about 10 times so you can see. 1. Okay, 2, 3. 4, 5. Come with me a little bit to do the exercise. There. Feel the face a little bit. We are already finishing. Perfect. This would be the first point. This point that is going to do is going to move all the musculature, and it is also used even for paralysis, so you can see how important this point is. Second point that we are going to see, 3 of Yuliado stomach or big hole. Where is it? Well, if you follow the center, okay, let's say the center of the pupil until it reaches the bone, and just below the bone would be here on this line, always in the 2 places, right? We are going to work it a little bit here once we have found it. We are going to do it 60 times more or less, as if it were 60 seconds. If you get tired after 30 seconds, you can stop. Likewise, a little bit inwards and upwards, and that would be the exercise. Isn't this right? This technique also has the effect of relaxing all the muscles in the face. Additionally, the specific areas in the stomach that are targeted stimulate the facial nerves, providing increased mobility and agility in movement. This ultimately leads to a holistic activation of the entire face. The nasogenian sulcus, also known as the smile lines, forms a crease in the middle part of the face, around the mouth. This crease is located along the line that connects the nostrils and the corner of the lips. These lines give the facial expression a tired or sad look, making it appear worn out or sorrowful. The signs can start to show around the age of 25 or 30 and may present as looseness, alterations in the facial proportions and volumes. And this is caused by factors such as the loss of actin, collagen, or hyaluronic acid. As the years go by, bone resorption also occurs, which can cause an increase in flaccidity. With these points and with this massage, we are going to make the skin reactivate its collagen in a natural way. So let's go with the super Korean massage that I also, before making the videos, of course I prepare them and I'm also doing them, so I have done it on my face. And the truth is that I have been super relaxed, and it is also relaxing. How do we start? After having done the stitches, we are going to fill the mouth with air up to the cheekbones. How are we going to do it? Like this. And we are going to let go little by little, okay? I position myself a little bit so you can see me. And we're going to do this 10 times. Second part of the massage we're going to do, we're going to put the mouth like an O. And from the parts of the lips, we are going to go up to the lacrimal approximately, and we are going to do it also 10 times. Come with me a little bit. And this will be the second pass. Third part, we are going to do it on each side 10 times. And how are we going to start? Well, we're going to start on the 20. I said that, as you know, it was here, right? We're going to put the other finger here, and we're going to stretch a little bit. On one side. If you have a side that is worse, do it on that side and on the other side as well. Let's go to 20, I said. One goes to the lips and the other goes to the tear trough. Also from 20, I said we are going to put the little fingers here and we are going to open up to the cheekbones 15 times on each side. Look how soft, how relaxing this exercise is. Slightly opening, this is the fourth exercise. This would be the fourth exercise. Well, let's go to the fifth part of the massage. We put our little fingers here as if you were crying, okay? Something like this, we put it here. We begin at the value of 20G and proceed upwards, extending beyond the ears as outwards. Notice that my mouth is opening a little bit even. We begin the experience with 20G below, embracing relaxation. Up through the cheekbones, and here, releasing air, fifth part. Let's go to the penultimate part. Take the two little fingers, place them on the two sides of the mouth, and start going up here. Okay? To start, we'll trim the hair above the ears and then move downwards. Take a look. We'll continue downwards until we reach the collarbone, all right? Just be mindful not to apply excessive pressure as we move down the neck. On the head, on the face, you can squeeze more, but not on the neck part. We repeat, we are here. We ascend past the ears and then descend upon reaching the high point. We tighten a little bit and here softer. Up to the collarbone, and then we put it back and go up, okay? It would be the penultimate treatment of the massage. And let's go with the last and final part for the best Korean massage for the nasolabial fold. We finish with this part. We're going to place little fingers a little bit here, okay? Not together. Under the bone on each side of the chin. Drop your fingers, and we're going to open up from here. Open and feel. Also, it's very relaxing. Also, this part, we are going to repeat this 10 times. And remember that you have to do these exercises morning and evening, and for 3 weeks, and for sure you will. Remember to take the picture, and after this great massage with this complexion that I have left, I also recommend you this video also that you can do to remove the lines of expression of the face. And as always, like it if you liked it, subscription bell, and to healing and beyond.